Yes, I like that. That's bright. Welcome to the vlog of today. This is Beeston. It's always raining at this period, and this is just 4:25, almost 4:10. So let's take this first shot here of the rain with the tram. Oh, let's go. Let's see this now. I really prepare for the rain. I'm wearing a rain jacket, rain suit, which I think is supposed to block some rain. Everywhere is fucking wet. Let's go to Beeston Center. Like this. Oh, don't like what the images are getting. You're getting shit images. I need to. It's too bright. ISO is too bright, so I need to decrease the ISO. Okay. Do it already from here. Let's go. Let me test this walk there. We can hold this still. Yeah, it's hold it, yeah. So go to the right setting, yeah. Smile, yeah. It's on back, so. I need this umbrella. Yeah, his umbrella. Unless it water on the lens. The face of the lens, so I don't have any pieces here. Beeston. It's my first time being in Beeston during this Christmas holiday time. I need to get some better shot from somewhere. Go to landscape now. Landscape. My setting and my memory card, I put it on C1.
Show you something blue.
C1 landscape. Landscape priority. Let's go. This is a bit fun, but not very fun. Under the rain like this, wet. Even though I get the clothes rainproof. Not everyone wants to get wet, huh? Walk by the side, walk here. This fire burning, man. What's that? I need to. It's a real fire. Big fire. So I'll go back to shutter speed, priority back now. And when it's raining, you know, everyone wants to hide away from the rain. You see only a few people when it's raining out. So nice one. You see, maybe I can hold that still. Yeah. Like that. Leg. Take that woman on the office, JJ. It's too far away. Far away, you can't do anything. And people are far away with this nifty 50. So let's look again at Beeston from this angle like this. C2 or C1. Take this back, covering this. Step back. I'm really wet. This guy in this place. No, I'm to increase the ISO a bit. This is more heavier than I thought. My improved self is not even enough. You know how it is, man. Look at this guy. Rain is falling, so what is still wearing? Oh boy, I can't see anything. Oh man. Yeah, when it's raining, there's no space for you to even hide. Because everything, shops, closed. I stay like this out here. We improve not do. Shirada. Oh no. Shut up. Don't get it. It's good, but why? Sometimes I do from off, and they cash it and cash. It's dark, so to increase something. To improve is not enough, guys. Yes, I like that. Beautiful. I like this image here, right? Let it taking shooting the further. I like this one, right? Let's go front. my phone too is waterproof, so everything is waterproof today. Let me see that side there. You think I did that good? Look at the emails are coming a bit reddish. Don't like that. Okay. See, it's always somebody always breaking the rules. This guy will take bad care for this place. Let's go, man. Oh, one touch, one take. Again. So it's magical this night. One touch, one take. It's magic for this night. Really magic. Oh, it's a bit darkish, man. Is it darker? This Insta shot. Can I increase the light? Let me increase the light. Let's go down. Let me look back somehow. I like looking back. So once upon a time, once in a while, in front again. I like this light in this shop. This light in the shop. Let's go. I'm a warrior. Few people on the street. See. Let me hide here for 1 second. Not nobody in the street now. Everybody disappeared into their apartment. I can do something with this water. Yes, I like that. That's brightness. Try to reduce it. Come on, use bucket over here. Shit, too slow. Where is the other place? Look dead. Get this one there. But it just come out from nowhere with some things. You take this car coming from down there like this. Might just give my son to this man. What these guys were? Hey. We'll get one though. Far away. Very far away, man. Can't really see. The lens is not far enough. Look this man. Need more light. Water is entering inside my underwear clothes. So let's change direction, right?
पैर पूरे गीले हो गए हैं, पूरे जूतों में पानी भर गया है।
Man, they look me from there. The man just came for one go, just look me from back there, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. This one. It's for free. Shit. Fucking hell. Come on. Oh, you not do. Oh, I take this one with it. Pay for that place. Okay. Still put my blitzing in that place, man. Let's go. Smoke. Let's change direction. Ya guardato. What, man? So I hardly take shit. Let's go. What's that? That first time, not